Good morning, traders. This is Evelyn from Astra Montis, and I'm here to bring you the latest insights for the week of January 29 to 2nd of February 2024. Let's dive into what to expect in the upcoming week. The week's global financial landscape is shaped by pivotal policy meetings and economic data releases. These events are critical in assessing the future trajectory of the global economy and currency markets. Investors are keenly awaiting the Federal Reserve's January meeting, speculating a possible dovish turn. Despite hawkish indications from Fed officials, markets are aligning with Fed's guidance. Though a gap remains, investors will focus on Chair Powell's press conference for clues on rate reductions, with expectations of avoiding specifics about the timing. Any hint towards a cut in H1 could support risk assets and affect the US dollar. The Fed will not have the final say on the dollar's direction, as the latest non-farm payrolls report is due on Friday. Despite fears that higher rates would lead to a massive jobs cull, everything for now seems to point to a soft landing in the labor market, which would almost certainly translate to the same for the U.S. economy. After unexpectedly heating up in December, the jobs market likely cooled in January. The Bank of England's meeting on Thursday is set to decide on interest rates amid falling inflation. A shift from a tightening bias is expected, with a possibility of ending dissent for further rate hikes. This could signal a future rate cut, affecting the pound's value. Tuesday's flash estimate of the Eurozone's Q4 GDP growth could confirm a technical recession, affecting the euro's strength and ECB's rate decision. A weak GDP reading could lead to concerns of over-tightening or fuel rate cut speculations. And I'm here to bring you the latest insights. The Australian dollar is tracking domestic and Chinese economic indicators. Upcoming Chinese manufacturing surveys and Australian CPI data could influence the Aussie, especially ahead of the RBA's meeting. A significant drop in Australia's inflation could impact the Aussie negatively. This week's global financial scene is marked by anticipation and uncertainty. The focus is on the Federal Reserve and Bank of England's policy meetings, Eurozone's GDP, and Asia-Pacific economic indicators. These events will not only shape the immediate financial markets, but also provide insights into the future economic direction globally. To conclude, as we navigate through this week's trading landscape, it's essential to closely monitor these significant updates. We appreciate your confidence in our insights and wish you prosperous trading in the days ahead.